In this video, I'm going to show you how to make creamy sesame dressing. Hi everyone, this is Yoshimi. Some of the guests who joined my cooking class in Tokyo asked me if I know how to make creamy sesame dressing that they had at restaurant and liked very much. I do, and today I'm going to show you how to make it. You need 6 ingredients. Ground sesame. Ground sesame is very easy to find in Japan, but if you can't find it, you can just get a sesame seed, roast it just a little bit to bring out the flavor, and then grind. Mayonnaise, Japanese Kewpie mayo if available, sesame oil, roast it. Vinegar. This is wheat vinegar, but you can use rice vinegar too, either rice vinegar or wheat vinegar. Soy sauce, and sugar. How much of each you need? It's so easy to remember. It's 3 to 2 to 1. You just need to measure everything in a jar and shake it. So let's start with dry ingredients. Prepare a jar like this. You need 1 tablespoon of sugar. Japanese sugar is very similar to caster sugar, but you can use whatever sugar you have. Three tablespoons of ground sesame. One tablespoon of soy sauce. This is regular soy sauce, but you can use low sodium soy sauce too. Two tablespoons of vinegar, either rice vinegar or wheat vinegar. Just put it in. Two tablespoons of sesame oil. And 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. By measuring sesame oil right before mayonnaise, The measuring spoon is coated with the oil so mayonnaise doesn't stick to the spoon. Now I have everything in this jar, so let's shake it. It's all done and your creamy sesame dressing is ready. This dressing will go well with any salad, so prepare whatever salad you like, put it on top and enjoy. Today I have simple vegetable salad with shredded cabbage, julienne carrot and some lettuce. Let's put some tofu, just cut into blocks. It's not cooked. And also some canned tuna. I'm using oil-free canned tuna because the dressing is very rich. Let's put some creamy sesame dressing. Shake it one more time before you use it. Put it on the salad. And it's good to go. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. And if you have any question about Japanese food culture, please leave a message in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye for now and looking forward to seeing you in next video.